Yeah, so we're working with CenterZip on a project for our player to build embed code so that our player can be easily embedded into any page like blogs and home pages and landing pages. We gave CenterZip a really simple, high-level, couple-page document of an overview of the requirements. In no way was it super detailed, and that was really nice for us because we were able to outline the requirements quickly, and then CenterZip was able to synthesize those requirements into really nice technical documentation, back and forth communication, sifting out all the details that are needed, and then ultimately giving a great end result that we could immediately use and deploy into our systems and quickly essentially ramp up a new feature in our player with very, very easy, essentially 1 to 2 pages, start, new feature in our player at the end. And that's really, really powerful.
Can you talk a little bit about how the team asked questions and helped flesh out parts of requirements that were not well defined?
Yeah, so like I said, the requirements were pretty high level. So we had a lot of back and forth, great communication where the team was able to take the high level requirements and get into those details and then come back to us and ask us questions that made sense and that really sifted out what the end result of those details needed to be. They could, a good example was we didn't really specify how the URLs should be passed through this feature. They came back and said that there are some technical details around passing URLs around. We sifted through those details and we got to great end result, and that didn't have to be specified up front and highly researched. CenterZip was able to do that research on their side and give us proposals and recommendations on how to fix it.
And would you give your perspective on the code, final code delivered? Did you guys code review it? How was the quality of output?
Yeah, so the final code delivered was in the form of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We had 2 big code blobs, and both of those went through our strict code review processes and our QA processes, although they had already been QA'd by CenterZip. And all of that very, very low incidents of any type of bug or anything. It was really well done the first time, which was great. So we had a stringent code review process, and for the most part, it passed with flying colors, and we were able to just take that code and use it right where we wanted to use it.
Thank you.
Cool.